Underneath my sink is a disaster. I transformed it to look like this. So this is everything I have underneath my sink, and the undermat is 36 inches. I love that it keeps the area clean. I love that it has a high level and sprout area, and I'm just removing everything that's underneath my sink and cleaning it off before I start installing. Installation is so easy to do. This allows me to just store everything I want underneath the sink. I love that this mat has a 3.3 gallon capacity. It's waterproof and it makes easy cleaning for under that sink area. It's made out of high quality silicone. It is oil resistance. It makes maintenance so easy to do. I love how soft it feels. I also love that it has this level area, so if water pours in it, the water doesn't overflow and it has a spill area. This is absolutely a must for me and I absolutely love it.